Did you know that krill poop is worth billions of dollars? Each year, millions of metric tons of carbon dioxide are removed from the atmosphere by the ocean and coastal plants through a process called carbon cycling. But surprisingly, Antarctic krill are also responsible for sequestering a massive 20 million metric tons of CO2 annually. After consuming carbon-rich phytoplankton, vast swarms of krill release their carbon-filled poop, which sinks to the ocean floor, safely locking away that pesky CO2 for hundreds of years. Depending on the price of carbon, these huge deposits of Antarctic krill poop can be worth up to $46 billion annually, making them some of the ocean's most valuable climate allies.